Kinds of fractions. A fraction is used to represent a part of a whole. It is written as two numbers separated by a fraction line. The number above the line is called the numerator. And the number below the line is called the denominator. Kinds of fractions. Proper fraction. Improper fraction. Mixed number. We call them proper fractions when the numerator is smaller than the denominator. The value of each fraction is less than 1 but greater than 0. Examples: 5/8, 2/5, 7/9, 18/47, 6/13. We call them improper fractions when the numerator is greater than or equal to the denominator. The value of each fraction is greater than 1 or equal to 1. Examples: 13/5, 18/11, 21/7, 8/7. And we call them mixed numbers when the fractions are combinations of a whole number and a proper fraction. Examples: 1 and 3/4, 12 and 1/9, 5 and 6/11, 8 and 2/5, 7 and 5/7.